Hi, I'm Scott from Green Scott. I'm here to dispel the myth of only aerating in the spring and only in the fall. This didn't make any sense to me, and a lot of you are probably wondering the same. Like, why is it only the spring and the fall? This makes no sense. I figured it was because the lawn aeration industry is basically the lawn care industry. So the people that are out mowing your lawn aren't mowing lawns in the spring, and they're not mowing them in the fall. So they're trying to extend their yearly amount of work. So they then dictate to the rest of us that that's the only time that you need to aerate. I found this to be completely false. In the spring, you don't really want to be pounding a bunch of commercial holes into your lawn with an aerator when your grass is just struggling to get going. And also in the fall, when your lawn is at the dormant state, you're now wanting to what? Put more holes in it and then allow water to go down to the root system in the fall, and then come wintertime it freezes and damages the roots. It just didn't make any sense to me. So I designed this aeration wheel to be used in a moderate amount, throwing down a little bit of top seed that then allows those seedlings to be in a more mixed up soil condition, allowing deeper root penetration and quicker growth of those seedlings. You can see here that I'm not too sure if the camera will pick it up, but there is this real slight little thin 1/8 of an inch to 1/4 inch layer of that talc powder type soil that does rise to the surface because of the way soils separate. The larger granules are at the bottom and the very smaller ones are up top, very similar to like a lake or a river, right? All the gold goes to the bottom and all the lighter particles are right up top. You're thinking gold. Well, yeah, this guy's onto a good thing here. The lawnmower aeration wheel. What that's doing, it's mixing up these particles. Your water and all that money that you're spending on your lawn is now getting absorbed into that root system, and your lawn's going to thrive. I mean, you can see here that I've got all the weeds being choked out by that thriving lawn, and that's underneath some cedars as well as a large 70-year-old oak tree. So if you want to check out my product, hit up greenscott.ca for more information. Thank you for your time.